with Off Leash Canine Training Hampton Roads. Today I have Champ. Champ is a nearly 2-year-old American bully. Champ is here because his family is finding it hard to walk him. They are also finding it hard to get him to listen to anything. They also have a cat and he chases the cat a lot. And they want to be able to spend more time with Champ without him being the wrecking ball that he is. So let's see what he knows. Champ, come. Hi, good boy. Can you sit? Can you sit? Champ, come. Can you sit? That's a good boy. Look at you. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and try a heel. Champ, heel. 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 Good. Champ, can you lay down? Can you sit? Wow. Can you down? Down. 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 That's a good boy right there. That's a good boy. All right, so as you can see, he doesn't know much of anything. It's definitely a wrecking ball and pulls his family around. So check back in 2 seconds and you can see all of his progress. Come on, Champ.
his trainer was Amber. He's being quite the opposite dog. He's actually sitting, he's not jumping on us, he's doing pretty well. And I'm really happy with his progress, I really am. Done. You have anything to say?
No, I'm just proud of his progress. I'm thankful for Canine, off-leash Canine. They were really specific on what they were doing. They gave us updates every day, and we both appreciate Amber. She did a lot for this dog and a lot for our family, so I'm really proud of Champ's progress, and now he's a good boy now.
Thank you, Amber, again for putting up with our little knucklehead.
Recommend Amber.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're gonna make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're gonna get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.